Hi everyone, it's Akasha, and in today's video we're going to be talking about projector photography. And if you don't know what projector photography is, it's when you use a projector as your prop to take your photos. And my glasses are reflecting a little too much, please ignore it. So recently on Instagram I posted a picture, and I will insert the picture right here. And I used a projector to take the picture, and I decided why not make a tutorial about it, because a lot of people seem to like it. So for starters, you're gonna need a projector, and I got this really cheap one on AliExpress. I think it was like $30, and it came with the charger. I think something's wrong with mine because I have to have it plugged in for it to work, but I went on YouTube and I looked at people's reviews of the same projector, and they don't have to have theirs plugged in, and there's probably something wrong with mine. But I didn't really mind, I could just plug it in and still use it. So on the sides there's little things to like plug a USB in or plug in your laptop, your phone, other things, and there's a bunch of buttons to like play. And on the side you can use this to push the lens out or in. It helps make your image clear or blurry. For starters, I went on Google, and you can literally just search up neon lights, which is what I did because I wanted a neon light for my image. But you can use any picture you want. So I found a neon light I liked, saved the image, and then just open it on my projector. And once that's open, you can go stand in front of your projector, but you have to make sure you're in a dark room or do it in your own room at nighttime with like a blank wall. And so the wall's right here. The projector would be like far away. Like, for example, here's my room, right? I put my projector here. I remember I had it on my bed, and my camera was facing all the way on the other side. So my camera was right here, where it is, and my projector was right here too, and the wall is all the way over there. This is really cheap. If you have a good projector, you can use that one. I literally made a projector one time, but not for the same reason. I was just bored, and I used to be like a DIY queen. Like, I was always making things, like random shit. So I had made a projector at one point. It's really easy. You just need a magnifying glass and a box. So yeah, let's get into the little tutorial or demo where you can see me do the actual picture.
Set your projector on a tripod. I'm just using this crimp to pretend it's a tripod. Here's the camera. Set up your camera or your phone, put it on a soft timer, or use a button. This is from Amazon. Just to like take pictures. There's the wall, and then turn out the light. And then go back to your projector and put it in focus. And then just go and stand and take pictures in front of it.
Now, if you like this video, please give it a if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all next week for something different.